Hello viewers, welcome to your YouTube channel Abax Academy. Myself Aditya Kalyan. In this video, we are going to learn a new concept, that is digital root theory using subtraction. So, if you are a new for my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. So let us start a topic, digital roots theory using subtraction. Before we start this topic, we have to learn a trick, that which I am going to teach you. So kindly follow me. We are going to learn a system is called base 9 system. Base 9 system. So what is this base 9 system? A question comes, a tag. What is this base 9 system? When two numbers join together and gives the result 9, that is base 9 system. Example, if we will take an example, dash plus dash makes 9. Very simple concept. So think it. What does it means? Suppose if we write a 0 here, in 0 which number we add, we will get 9. That is 9. In the same way, in which suppose there is a number 5, in 5 what we will add, we will get 9. That we have to notice. I have to say 4. 5 plus 4, 9. So in this way, we are going to write the pattern of this base 9 system. The pattern is 0 plus 9, 1 plus 8, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1 and 9 plus 0. Those are the numbers. Now what I am going to say, that when we add these numbers, we will get 9. So these all are 9. 4 plus 5, 9. This every set of pair of numbers makes us 9. Here, remember, this 0 and 9, this trick I am going to tell you. Remember, always learn 0 and 9 are friends. They are friends. 0 and 9. 1 and 8, they are friends. So, we have to learn friends. As a friend of these sets, we have to learn. 0's friend is 9. 1 friend is 8. 2 friend is 7. 3 friend is 6. 4 friend is 5. 5 friend is 4. 6 friend is 3. 7 friend is 2. 8 friend is 1. And 9 friend is 0. These are the friends. 0's friend 9, 1 friend 8, 2 friend 7, 3 friend 6, 4 friend 5, so on. You have to learn. Now, after learning this concept, we are going to solve our digital theory after learning the subtractions. So we have to learn first subtraction, that we need to learn. So subtraction sums. I hope you all know subtraction how to do. So kindly do your subtractions by your own. However, get the correct answer. Whether the answer is correct or not, that is the basic important, that the digital roots theory we will apply for that. The answer is correct or not. So what we are going to do, we have to write a number, that 173 subtract with 94. Let it be. We will subtract this one. 173 subtract with 94. First set. Ones place. Use the ones place. 3 minus 4. Not possible. So take a borrow from 7 and give to 3. It will become 13. Give and borrow 13. 7 here. It will be 6. So now 13 minus 4. We have to do. 13 minus 4. The answer is 9. And 6 minus 9 not possible. So what we are going to do, again we are going to give a borrow 1 here, it will be 0. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Now we got 79. Whether this answer is correct or not, we are going to prove with the help of digital roots. So we need to prove it now. that 173. These numbers we have to sum it. Remember, if you are new to my channel, once more, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel so that the previous method which I have taught you in the previous video, that you'll come to know. I have taught there how to solve the digital sum. So again I'll explain. 7 plus 3 plus 1, 1 plus 7 plus 3, whatever it might be, add it. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 where it consists 2 digits. 1 plus 7 plus 3 gets the answer 11. The digital root always be in a single digit. So 11 is double digit. So again sum it. 1 plus 1 makes 2. So the digital sum of 173 is 2. I hope you got it. Now in this 94, 9 being cancelled. That meaning is 9 when comes in digital sum, it will be vanished and it will become 0. When we add the digits, we will get the result 9, then cancel in your soul and think it is 0. So here 9 being vanished. So left only the number 4. So write 4. Now subtract 2 minus 4. Subtract 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 we cannot subtract. If we can subtract also, we will get the negative value, that is minus 2. So here children, what you have to do, remember, just in a conceptualized way you remember, 2 minus 4, if not possible, subtract 4 minus 2. Just find the difference of 2 and 4. 2. Once more I am saying, don't focus on this minus. I'll change the ink and I'll show you. Don't focus on this. Minus 2 is correct, but don't focus on minus. Just check the difference. That is 2. 2 minus 4 not possible. 4 minus 2, 2. So find the friend of 2 in this concept. 2's friend is 7. So write 7. So 2's friend is 7. Here 9. We have to make this answers digital sum. 9 plus 7 also 16. 6 plus 1 7. We can write 7. Another way, in a cancel out method way, what? 9 cancel. 9 cancelled, and in your mind then only 7 will left. So 7 and 7, the answer is correct. I hope you understand. Let us move with one more example. So once more, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, because the cancel out method is been mentioned in the previous video. So you can check out the cancel out method. What is that? I'll move to one more example. Let be considered. Two, 6, 9. We'll take small number. 1, 5, 3. Now we need to subtract. So quite simple. 9 minus 3, we'll write 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Now answer is correct. That we have to check. In a cancel out method, do it. Make it fast. It will be very easy. 9. Just remember this 9. 9 comes cancel and it feel as 0. You feel it as 0. 9 cancelled. 6 plus 2, 8. And here 1, 5, 3. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So cancel. It becomes 0. Now subtract. Because it is subtraction, subtract the digital sum. 8 minus 0. We will get 8. Here also the answer also you have to match. 6 plus 1 plus 1. 8. So 8 and 8. So the answer is correct. I hope you are understanding. You are getting my notes what I am going to explain you. So final example. Last and final example which I am going to give you. If you like my video, kindly share to your friends and keep a comments in the comment box. Okay, I will go to last and final example. That is 9573 minus 6184. Let it be do fast. Okay, so the answer will be, now what is this? 13. 13 minus 4, it's 9. Alright, 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Next, what it comes here? They have given a borrow, so it is 6. So again, 6 as borrow to 5, that is, it goes here, that it is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. We'll go here 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 9 minus 6 is 3. We got the answer. It is correct or not. We have to check horizontally digital sum of these numbers. Here, okay, 9 cancelled, vanished, 0. 7, 3, 10 plus 5, 15, where 15 is a double digit. So 1 plus 5, 6. And in this line, 6, 4, 10, 18, 19, 19, 9 plus 1, 10. So here again 1. So subtract 6 minus 1, we are getting 5. And what we are doing, we need to sum these digits. 9 cancelled, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Where 4 plus 1, 5. So again 5, 5 correct. So our answer is correct. In this way we can check our digital roots theory, we can apply, and we can check in our examination whether the answers are correct or not. If you liked my video, kindly share to your friends and give a comments so that I'll bring another videos for you. Thank you. Still then, bye bye.